right here. Diversey Harbor. Let's see what we catch. Got a Rapala J13. First catch, bro. Got one, guys. Got one. Oh, we got a pike. Yeah, that's a nice pike right there, guys. Oh, come on, hold on. Oh. Come on. Relax. Oh, I got one. Got a nice pike. Yeah. Woo. Not what we're aiming for, but I'll take that for now. Look at it. It ate it all. Alright, let's get the pliers. Alright, got the hook out. We got it on the Hisu. I'm gonna try to release this thing. Alright, it's bleeding though. Hopefully he makes it. Off. Yes. Just try to catch another one. That was actually probably the second cast on that crankbait.